So I think some people had been asking about why I use LangChain, and the reason why I use LangChain is for something called LangGraph. So the idea is you have multi-agentic workflows. So you have one agent might not be able to handle all your different tasks. So I'm going to be using the example of Minecraft. So I have no friends to play Minecraft with, so I decided why not make a bunch of bots that will play with me and enjoy the game with. So I'm going to start with something really simple. So I'm going to start with so by the way, I'm connected to Minecraft via an MCP, not using Nate's work, unfortunately. I'm using something over JavaScript. So I'm going to ask my agents here to do something simple. So I'm going to ask it to build me a small house of dirt. So I'm going to run my command here, and we're going to see that, all right, it's starting. I'm passing my prompt to a supervisor. So the supervisor is deciding like, okay, it initialized a bot. And so now this bot is basically just looking around. It's understanding that I need to build. So it has access to like a bunch of tools. So it's able to see like, okay, I need to check my items to see what I have. If I need more dirt, I think it should have enough dirt right now. So it's like now moving into position and it's slowly going to start building. I'm showing the tool calling rather than the agent because this is ridiculously slow. Uh, so I would need to optimize this down the line, but I don't know if you noticed, but yep, look, it's like digging. I'm going to cancel this because so I just want to show like a single agent working. Now, if I want multiple things going, I need to be able to, um, if I'm playing this game, I just don't want to build a house. I want to collect wood, I want to build a farm, and so forth. So what happens when I tell it to do all of that? So now my Python code is running. If we go back to Minecraft, what we should see is now it's going to initialize multiple agents. So I have a builder bot, a collector bot, and a farmer bot. So the way that the system works is this is a very generic orchestration sort of framework. So the idea is that I will have one supervisor agent that determines what are the other agents that you hand off the task to. Then I have three other agents here: a builder, a collector, and a farmer. And so what I am doing here is my supervisor is essentially just um, being given here a bunch of agents that you have access to. Take a user's information and then output which agent should be called. And the supervisor in this instance is a React agent, because what I'm doing here is I've turned calling each agent into a tool. And the reason why this is being done is because I am creating a particular task config for each agent by the supervisor. So what that means is that I'm giving each of the builder, the farmer, and the collector agent, like I'm telling it, here's your name, here are the coordinates you should go to, here is the type of thing that you should be doing. And so by using such a multi-agentic framework, you can essentially delegate particular tasks to the appropriate agent. So each agent essentially becomes specialized in doing one particular thing. And so if we go back, we see here the builder, the farmer and the builder are not doing a good job because one's trying to build, the other's trying to build an irrigation system. So kind of colliding. We see our collection agent over here breaking down this tree. And so by having multiple agents, I'm able to essentially speed up my processes. And oh, last thing, observability. So I have all these traces, which is fantastic. I have the logs, sorry, that you can see, but I don't want to see the logs. I want to see how the LLM is thinking, so to speak. So I have it connected to LangFuse. LangFuse is the LLM observability interface. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to go and see all the messages that so you could see essentially all the messages that the agents are that's being passed to an agent. So you could see this is a message, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you for listening.